Welcome to the another video of Clinical Parasitology Unit 2, second video. Cestodes, tapeworms. 1 Taenia solium, pork tapeworm. Pathogenesis. Causes tiny ASIS, intestinal infection, and cysticercosis, larval infection. Cysticercosis occurs when humans ingest eggs, leading to larval cysts in tissues, brain, muscle. Neurocysticercosis can cause seizures, hydrocephalus, and focal neurological signs. Laboratory diagnosis. Tiny ASIS, stool examination, eggs or proglottids. Cysticercosis. Imaging, CT/MRI, shows cysts in tissues. Serological tests, ELISA, Western blot. Biopsy, in subcutaneous forms. 2 Taenia saginata, beef tapeworm. Pathogenesis. Causes tiny ASIS only, no cysticercosis. Symptoms usually mild, abdominal discomfort, weight loss. Proglottids are motile and may exit the anus. Laboratory diagnosis. Stool exam, eggs, indistinguishable from T. solium. Identification of gravid proglottids or scolex. T. saginata has unarmed scolex. Serology not useful. 3 Echinococcus granulosus, hydatid tapeworm. Pathogenesis. Causes hydatid disease, cystic echinococcus. Humans = accidental intermediate hosts develop hydatid cysts in liver, lungs, etc. Cysts can grow large and rupture. Anaphylaxis, secondary spread. Laboratory diagnosis. Imaging, ultrasound, CT, for cysts. Serological tests, ELISA. Histopathology or aspiration of cyst fluid, with extreme care. 4 Hymenolpes nana, dwarf tapeworm. Pathogenesis. Causes hymenolpiasis, more common in children. Autoinfection leads to heavy worm burdens. Symptoms, abdominal pain, diarrhea, irritability. Laboratory diagnosis. Stool examination, characteristic eggs with polar filaments. No intermediate host required. Trematodes, flukes. 1 Fasciola hepatica, liver fluke. Pathogenesis. Causes fascioliasis, larvae migrate through liver to bile ducts. Acute phase, fever, hepatomegaly, eosinophilia. Chronic phase, biliary obstruction, cholangitis. Laboratory diagnosis. Stool exam, after 3-4 months, large, operculated eggs. Serological tests, antibodies. Imaging for biliary involvement. 2 Fasciolopsis buski, giant intestinal fluke. Pathogenesis. Causes fasciolopsiasis, resides in the small intestine. Symptoms, diarrhea, abdominal pain, malabsorption, heavy infection. Laboratory diagnosis. Stool exam, large, golden brown, operculated eggs, indistinguishable from Fasciola hepatica. History of eating aquatic plants. 3 Paragonimus westermanni, lung fluke. Pathogenesis. Causes paragonimiasis, larvae migrate to lungs. Symptoms, chronic cough, hemoptysis, mimics tuberculosis. May involve other organs, brain, skin. Laboratory diagnosis. Sputum/stool exam, eggs, golden brown, operculated. Serology, ELISA. Imaging, chest X-ray, CT. 4 Schistosoma species, blood flukes. A. Schistosoma hematobium. Pathogenesis, affects urinary tract, hematuria, fibrosis, risk of bladder cancer. Diagnosis, urine examination, eggs with terminal spine, midday sample best. B. Schistosoma mansoni. Pathogenesis, affects intestine/liver, hepatosplenic disease, portal hypertension. Diagnosis, stool exam, eggs with lateral spine, rectal biopsy, serology. C. Schistosoma japonicum. Pathogenesis, similar to S. mansoni but more severe due to higher egg output. Diagnosis: stool exam, eggs with small lateral spine, serology, liver biopsy, in some cases. MCQs. 1. Which form of Taenia solium causes cysticercosis in humans? A. Adult worm. B. Egg. C. Cysticercus. D. Scolex. B. 2. What is the intermediate host of Taenia saginata? A. Pig. B. Sheep. C. Cow. D. Dog. C. 3. Which parasite causes hydatid cysts? A. Taenia solium. B. Echinococcus granulosus. C. Hymenolpes nana. D. Taenia saginata. B. 4. Taenia solium can be differentiated from Taenia saginata by A. Presence of operculated eggs. B. Size of eggs. C. Armed scolex in T. solium. D. Intermediate host. C. 5. Which cestode can complete its life cycle within a single host, no intermediate host? A. Taenia solium. B. Echinococcus granulosus. C. Hymenolpes nana. D. Taenia saginata. C. 6. Mode of transmission of Echinococcus granulosus to humans is A. Ingestion of raw pork. B. Ingestion of eggs from dog feces. C. Insect bite. D. Skin penetration. B. 7. Diagnostic method for cystic echinococcus includes A. Stool microscopy. B. Sputum examination. C. Imaging studies and serology. D. Blood culture. C. 8. Autoinfection is common in which of the following tapeworms? A. Taenia saginata. B. Echinococcus multilocularis. C. Hymenolpes nana. D. Diphyllobothrium latum. C. 9. Hymenolpes nana infection is most commonly seen in A. Adults. B. Travelers. C. Children. D. Immunocompromised only. C. 10. Cysticercosis is confirmed using A. Stool microscopy. B. X-ray and serology. C. CBC. D. PCR only. B. 11. Fasciola hepatica primarily affects which organ? A. Lungs. B. Small intestine. C. Bile ducts. D. Brain. C. 12. The operculated egg in stool is characteristic of A. Schistosoma hematobium. B. Fasciola hepatica. C. Taenia solium. D. Echinococcus. B. 13. Intermediate host for Fasciolopsis busci is A. Pig. B. Snail. C. Dog. D. Cow. B. 14. Chronic infection with Schistosoma hematobium can lead to A. Liver cirrhosis. B. Bladder cancer. C. Lung fibrosis. D. Myocarditis. B. 15. Paragonimus westermanni eggs can be found in A. Stool only. B. Urine. C. Sputum and stool. D. Blood. C. 16. Which fluke is known as the giant intestinal fluke? A. Fasciola hepatica. B. Paragonimus westermanni. C. Fasciolopsis busci. D. Schistosoma mansoni. C. 17. Mode of infection for Schistosoma species is A. Ingestion of undercooked meat. B. Inhalation of eggs. C. Skin penetration by cercarii. D. Vector bite. C. 18. Schistosoma mansoni eggs have A. Terminal spine. B. Lateral spine. C. No spine. D. Double operculum. B. 19. Which parasite causes hematuria? A. S. hematobium. B. P. westermanni. C. F. busky. D. T. solium. A. 20 infection with schistosoma japonicum is more severe due to A. Lung involvement. B. Larger size. C. Greater egg output. D. Extra blood vessels affected. C. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you new here. Thank you.